Good morning, everyone. My name is Andriana Katsuri, and together with my team, we are going to be performing a VO2Max test on our participant. I'm going to quickly state a briefing of what we are actually going to do today. We are going to start by filling out a Part Q and a consent form signed by the participant in order to see if he's eligible to perform the test. Later, we're going to collect some basic anthropometric data, while at the same time we are going to start calibrating the system. After that, we are going to give the anthropometric data in the system, and we're going to start with the warm-up of the participant. When the participant is ready with the warm-up, we are going to state the methods and the protocol of the test, as well as some safety guidelines. And when that's finished, we are ready to initiate with the test. So we're now ready to start with the Part Q and the consent form. So my colleague Andrea over here has now took the anthropometric sheet, and she's going to put all of this data in the system since it is a new subject. Andrea, have you finished with the calibration of the system?
Yes, we're ready to run the gas. Everything's passed, and now we're ready to start the official test.
Okay, very good. This is a maximum test. We are going to wear some equipment on you, such as a heart rate monitor and a mask. We are going to start, the treadmill is going to start at 8 kilometers per hour. Every 3 minutes and 15 seconds, the speed will increase 2 kilometers per hour. The speed will continue to increase until maximal exhaustion or failure is reached. From start to beginning, from the beginning until the end, the incline of the treadmill will remain at 1 degree. And also a quick safety guide for you. We have placed 2 ribbons on the treadmill, 2 vertical ribbons. These are for you there to remain in the center of the treadmill during the test.
While running, to not grab the handles. And if you stop, the test is going to stop. And do not remove the mask. Our team will remove it for you. And
when you are finished with the test, grab the handles by the sides. Now can you just please show it?
You're in like this.
step on the side,
On the side. Alright, then we'll put you into recovery and you will work for 1 minute just to recover. Okay.
Just when we finish the test, even though it's tempting, please do not remove the mask on your own. The team will remove it for you. And we will follow a quick walk, let's say, for you to recover a few minutes. Okay? Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, perfect.
So when the test has concluded and the participant is cooling down, we will move on to filtering the data. Since while testing, breath samples are being recorded every 2 seconds, we will need to filter the data by a time average of 10 seconds between recordings. Doing so will give us a clearer picture of the results and will enable us to better determine VO2 max in the two ventilatory thresholds. After that, we establish the 5 training zones of the participants and print out the result sheet. The result paper gives us a progression of the participant physiological changes throughout the testing. VO2 max results can be found in the metabolic section of the paper, giving us its absolute and relative values. However, we focus on the relative value of VO2 max, which in this case is 48.1 milliliters per minute per kilogram, which is considered an excellent result of VO2 max. In general, there are two criteria for determining VO2 max. The first criteria is to look at the RQ, which must be 1.1, and the heart rate should be 95% of the predicted heart rate. In the case of this participant, the heart rate criteria has been met, reaching 102% of the predicted heart rate, and the RQ arrived at 1.02. Not a true VO2 max, but very close to it.